Welcome. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add someone's post to your story on Instagram, with the latest steps for 2025. If you've ever seen a post you loved and wanted to share it with your followers, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, scroll through your feed or use the search feature to find the post you want to share. This could be a photo, a video, or even a carousel post from someone you follow or a public account. When you've found the post, look just below it for a small paper plane icon. This is the Share button. Tap on that paper plane icon. A menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen, showing you several sharing options. From this menu, tap on Add to your story. Instagram will instantly open the story editor with the post you selected. Here, you can get creative, add stickers, text, GIFs, or even draw on the post to personalize it for your followers. You can also resize or move the post around the screen to fit your style. Once you're happy with how your story looks, it's time to share it. Look for the Your Story button at the bottom left of the screen. Tap on it, and your story will be shared with all your followers. If you want to double-check, you can tap your stories to make sure it's been added. And that's it. You've just shared someone else's post to your Instagram story. It's a great way to highlight content you love, support your friends, or share something interesting with your audience. Remember, you can only share posts from public accounts or from private accounts that allow sharing. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other guides for more Instagram tips and tricks.